So, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell. So, ngayon, ang topic natin ngayon ay standard proctor test in Geotech or in Geotechnical Engineering 1. So, standard proctor test. Compaction test of soil is carried out using proctor test. And yun. So, to understand compaction characteristic of different soils with change in moisture content, compaction of soil is optimal moisture content at which a given soil type becomes most dense and achieve in maximum dry density by removal of airbornes. So, these are the equipments that we need to use in proctor test. So first is the compaction mold, capacity of 1000 ml, rammer has a mass of 2.5 kg, detachable base plate, collar 60 mm height, IS sieve or 4.75 mm, oven, desiccator, weighting balance, accuracy 1 gram rather, large mixing pan, straight edge, spatula, graduated jar, mixing tools, spoons, trowels, and etc. So these are the procedure. So first is take about 20 kg of air-dried soil, sieve it through 20 mm and 4.7 mm sieve. Calculate the percentage retained on 20 mm sieve and 4.7 sieve and the percentage passing 4.75 mm sieve. If the percentage retained on 4.7 mm sieve is greater than 20, use the large mold of 150 mm diameter. If it is less than 20%, the standard mold of 100 mm diameter can be used. The following procedure is for the standard mold. So for the fourth one is mix the soil retained on 4.75 mm sieve and that passing 4.75 mm sieve in proportion determined in step 2 to obtain about 16 to 18 kilograms of soil specimen. On fifth, clean and dry the mold and the base plate. Grease them lightly. Weight the mold with the base plate to the nearest 1 gram. Take about 16 to 18 kilograms of soil specimen, add water to it to bring the water content to about 4% if the soil is sandy and to about 8% if the soil is clayey. Keep the soil in an airtight container for about 18 to 20 hours from maturing. Mix the soil through roughly, divide the preceded soil into 6 to 8 parts. Attach the collar to the mold. Space the mold on a solid base. Take about 2.5 kg of the preceded soil and hence place it in the mold in 3 equal layers. Take about 1/3 the quantity first. Compact it by giving 25 blows of the rammer. Take note, 25 blows of rammer. The blows should be uniformly distributed over the surface to each layer. The top surface of the first layer be scratched with a spatula before placing the second layer. The second layer should also be compacted by 25 blows of rammer. Likewise, place the third layer and compact it. The amount of the soil used should be just sufficient to fill the mold to be stuck off when the collar is removed. Remove the collar and trim off the excess soil, projecting about the mold using a straight edge. Clean the base plate and mold from outside. Weight it to the nearest gram. Remove the soil from the mold. The soil may also be ejected out. Take the soil samples for the water content. Determination from the top, middle, and bottom portion. Determine the water content. And lastly, add about 3% of the water to a fresh portion of the preceded soil and repeat step 10 to 14. So that's all. Thank you.